Humans have always been fascinated by height. From the earliest times, we have built structures that reach for the sky.
Medieval cathedrals reached for the heavens, showcasing religious faith. The Industrial Revolution brought iron and steel, enabling taller structures.
The invention of the elevator in the mid-1800s was a game changer. The first skyscraper, the Home Insurance Building, was built in Chicago in 1885.
Skyscrapers became symbols of progress and modernity.
The reasons for building tall are varied. One practical reason is land scarcity. In densely populated cities, building upwards allows more people to live and work in a limited area. Skyscrapers maximize the use of valuable land, creating a more efficient urban environment.
Economic factors also play a significant role. Tall buildings can house numerous businesses and residents, generating significant revenue. They become hubs of commerce, attracting investment and driving economic growth.
Beyond practical considerations, tall buildings are often seen as symbols of power and prestige. They represent a city's ambition and its place in the world. Skyscrapers can become iconic landmarks, attracting tourists and boosting a city's image. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, currently the tallest building in the world, is a prime example of this. It stands as a testament to Dubai's ambition and its emergence as a global city.
Cultural factors also influence the desire to build tall. Some cultures place a high value on verticality, associating it with spiritual or celestial aspirations. Ancient ziggurats in Mesopotamia, for example, were stepped pyramids with temples at the top, connecting the earthly realm with the heavens. In modern times, skyscrapers can reflect a society's technological prowess and its ability to overcome engineering challenges.
Building tall is a complex engineering feat. Taller buildings face greater challenges from wind and gravity. Engineers calculate forces to ensure stability. Aerodynamic shapes and advanced materials minimize sway.
The foundation must support the immense weight. Steel frames are key in skyscraper construction. They allow for thinner walls and open floor plans.
The choice of materials is crucial in skyscraper construction. Steel and concrete are the primary materials used, each with its strengths and limitations. Steel is incredibly strong and can withstand high tensile forces, making it ideal for the building's frame. Concrete is excellent for compression, meaning it can support heavy loads. The combination of these materials allows engineers to create structures that are both strong and relatively lightweight.
The design of a skyscraper also plays a vital role in its stability and aesthetics. Architects and engineers work together to create buildings that are not only functional, but also visually appealing. The shape of the building can affect wind resistance, while the placement of windows and other openings can influence the distribution of light and airflow.
Modern skyscrapers often feature innovative designs that push the boundaries of architecture. Sustainable design is becoming increasingly important in skyscraper construction. Architects are incorporating green technologies to reduce the building's environmental impact. Features like green roofs, solar panels, and rainwater harvesting systems are becoming more common. The goal is to create buildings that are not only aesthetically pleasing and functional, but also environmentally responsible.
Section 5: Life in the Clouds, the human impact of skyscrapers. Skyscrapers have had a profound impact on the way we live and work. They have allowed cities to grow vertically, accommodating larger populations while preserving valuable land. This concentration of people and businesses in a small area creates a vibrant and dynamic urban environment.
Skyscrapers often house a mix of uses, including offices, residences, shops, and entertainment venues, creating a self-contained community within the city. Living and working in a skyscraper can be a unique experience. The views from the upper floors can be breathtaking, offering a different perspective on the city below.
However, high-rise living also presents challenges. Residents may feel isolated from the street life below, and the reliance on elevators can be frustrating. Building managers and architects are constantly looking for ways to improve the quality of life in skyscrapers, creating welcoming and comfortable spaces for residents and workers. Section 6: Cities in the Sky. How tall buildings reshape our world. Skyscrapers have reshaped our cities in fundamental ways. They have become defining features of the urban landscape, shaping skylines and influencing how we navigate and experience our surroundings.
The concentration of businesses and skyscrapers has led to the development of central business districts, often located in the heart of cities. These districts become hubs of economic activity, attracting workers and investment from around the world. The construction of skyscrapers also has a ripple effect on the surrounding urban fabric.
As tall buildings rise, they create a demand for infrastructure and services. New transportation networks such as subway lines and bus routes are often built to accommodate the influx of people working and living in skyscrapers. The surrounding area may also see the development of new shops, restaurants, and other amenities to cater to the needs of the growing population. Section 7. Energy and Environment, the Ecological Footprint of Towers. The construction and operation of skyscrapers have a significant impact on the environment. The production of materials like steel and concrete is energy-intensive, releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Skyscrapers also consume vast amounts of energy for heating, cooling, and lighting.
However, there are ongoing efforts to make skyscrapers more sustainable. Green building practices are becoming increasingly common in skyscraper construction. These practices focus on reducing the building's environmental impact throughout its life cycle, from the sourcing of materials to the eventual demolition and disposal of waste.
Architects and engineers are incorporating energy-efficient technologies such as high-performance windows, LED lighting, and smart building systems to minimize energy consumption. The use of recycled and locally sourced materials is also becoming more prevalent. Section 8. The future is up. Innovations in high-rise construction. The future of skyscraper construction is filled with exciting possibilities. Advances in materials science, engineering, and construction techniques are paving the way for even taller, more innovative, and sustainable buildings.
One promising area of research is the development of new materials with higher strength-to-weight ratios. These materials would allow engineers to build taller structures with less material, reducing the environmental impact of construction.
Another area of innovation is in the realm of digital design and construction. Building information modeling, or BIM, is a technology that allows architects and engineers to create a digital representation of the building before construction begins. This virtual model can be used to optimize the design for efficiency, identify potential problems before they arise, and improve collaboration among the various teams involved in the project. Section 9. The social side of skyscrapers, gathering places in the air. Skyscrapers are not just places to work and live, they can also be social spaces. Many skyscrapers incorporate public areas such as observation decks, sky gardens, and restaurants that offer stunning views and opportunities for people to connect.
These spaces can foster a sense of community among residents and workers, and provide unique destinations for tourists and locals alike. The design of skyscrapers can also influence social interaction. Open floor plans and shared amenities can encourage collaboration and communication among workers in an office building.
Residential skyscrapers may incorporate communal spaces such as rooftop gardens or fitness centers to foster a sense of belonging among residents. As skyscrapers continue to evolve, so too will their role as social spaces within our cities. Section 10. The economics of altitude costs and returns of reaching high. Building a skyscraper is a massive financial undertaking. The costs of land acquisition, materials, labor, and engineering expertise can be astronomical. However, skyscrapers also have the potential to generate significant economic returns.
The high density of office and residential space can generate substantial rental income, while retail spaces on the lower floors can attract premium rents. The economic viability of a skyscraper project depends on a complex interplay of factors, including the local real estate market, the availability of financing, and the regulatory environment.
Governments often play a role in encouraging or discouraging skyscraper construction through zoning regulations, building codes, and tax incentives. The decision to build a skyscraper is a complex one that involves weighing the potential risks and rewards. Section 11. Conclusion. The enduring allure of the Skyward Ascent. From the ancient pyramids to the soaring skyscrapers of today, humans have always been drawn to the challenge and allure of building tall. Skyscrapers are a testament to our ingenuity, ambition and desire to leave our mark on the world. They have reshaped our cities, influenced our culture, and pushed the boundaries of engineering and design. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: our fascination with height and the skyward ascent will continue to inspire us to reach for new heights.